So what I'm doing right now is I just punched a hole in a dime, and I'm just practicing on this because somebody wants me to make them a silver dime ring. So I'm going to practice on this copper one, see how it comes out. I'll try the fancier way. There's our dime so far. Looking pretty cool. And if anybody wants me to make them a ring here on this TikTok Live, you can just tap this button right here and shop through my profile. And if you order something, just let me know, and I'll get started on it for you. Until then, I'm just going to do some practice. So I'll just top over here. And for anybody who's just joined us, I'm Coin Ring Maker. I make coins like this one into rings. And right now I'm just kind of playing with this dime. But if you would like me to make a ring for you on this live, you can tap this button up here with my logo on it, this one right here. And just go check out my profile. Shop through there. If you order something, come back, let me know, and I'll make it for you. Make sure we get that nice and flat, and go ahead and fold this. So far, so good. I make all different kinds of coin rings. I do quarters, half dollars, silver dollars, American Eagles. I make some little cowboy penny hats. They're pretty cool. And I'm just doing a little practice on this dime right now. See how it'll come out. That'll fit over here now. What's going on, man? I'm just playing with this dime, seeing if I can get it into a ring. Ooh, some pumpkins. Thank you, sir. Let's see if that'll fit. Not quite. Almost.